Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear? A new roof replacement might be just what you need. At Pro Build Roofing Brisbane, we specialise in high-quality roof replacements tailored to your needs. Our team of experienced professionals will guide you through every step of the process. We use premium materials to ensure your new roof is durable and long-lasting. Choose from a variety of styles and colours to enhance the beauty of your home. Our commitment to quality means we perform thorough inspections and precise installations. Worried about the cost? We offer competitive pricing and flexible financing options. Safety is our priority, and we adhere to all industry regulations and standards. Join the countless satisfied customers who have trusted us with their roofing needs. Contact us today for a free consultation and estimate. Don't wait for leaks or damage to get worse. Take action now for your peace of mind. Call us today, 07362 7775, and get started on your new roof replacement. Experience the Pro Build Roofing difference and protect your home for years to come.